Once you're able to manually turn it, then you've unjammed the disposal. Hi, I'm Sam with Abacus, and today we're going to be talking about disposals. So first thing you want to do, get that water going, come back over here, turn on that disposal. After you're done putting your food down the disposal, want to go ahead and turn off the disposal. Let the water run for a little bit. Make sure that it gets all pushed out of the way. If your disposal ever clogs on you to where it's not running, just making that little humming noise, what you want to do, first things first, is get this thing unplugged. After we unplug it, just take a little flashlight, look down in here, see if we can see anything that could be jamming it up. If we don't see anything right away, what we want to do is, got this little Allen wrench right here. Most of them come with your disposal. And there's also a little hole down here that you put it in, and you can just manually turn it. Once you're able to manually turn it, then you've unjammed the disposal. Want to plug this back in. Get that water going again. Test the disposal. It's running. We know that it's cleared now. Can turn off this water. In case you ever come down here and this doesn't want to move on you, and if it's just getting stuck and not wanting to move, might be time to replace this disposal. A lot of times we see these 1/2 horsepower disposals in the home, and that's more of a builder grade. We definitely want to get at least a minimum of a 3/4 horsepower and up, depending on how much we're cooking in the home. Here we have a 1/2 horsepower disposal right here. And the way that this works, it goes in from up top, grinds it all up, and then it spits it out right here into your pipes. Over here, we have a 1 horsepower disposal. Now, as you can see, it's a lot bigger than this one over here. But reason being, this has a sound jacket, and it also has a 4-stage grinder, okay? Meaning it's going to keep grinding up that food until it gets smaller and smaller and smaller, and then it's going to go ahead and spit it out over here. This 1/2 horsepower disposal is typically for smaller houses. If we don't do a lot of cooking, you know, don't want to spend a lot of money, this is what we want to use. But for our families that cook a lot out there and are always in the kitchen making something, we definitely want to go with this one right here. A lot more reliable, a lot more warranty, and you probably won't have to see us for a while. Remember, the most important thing is you never want to stick your hand down the disposal. If you ever have to check inside of the disposal, first thing you want to do is unplug the disposal, get you a pair of these right here, and then you'll be able to take a look and keep your hands out of that disposal.